fascinating history. It used to be a city gate, and where we are standing right now, there was a city wall that went on this side of the canal. But at a certain point, around 1600, the city was growing very rapidly, and the wall needed to be broken down, and they repurposed the watchtowers and city gates, and this building was made into what's called a Waag weigh house. You could weigh your goods there and then sell them in the market, and as you can see, the square still functions as a market to this day. So on the top there was some space left over, and there were offices for various guilds, among others the Painters Guild. And membership of the Painters Guild was mandatory. So I think we should probably start there. Let's take a look.
Sounds great. Are you live streaming this?
Right? Huh?
Are you live
Not,
streaming this?
I'm recording a 360. Yeah.
Oh, really?
I think I could do a live stream, but I'm not trying to do that.
You gonna share it somehow?
Yeah, it's going to go on my website. The travel site I made. Yeah.
Ja, I saw that. Net bij de vloerboer. Are you filming me, sir?
Yeah.
Please don't.
No?
No, thank you. Alright, here we can see the entrance to the Masons Guild. It's very finely carved, as you can see, done by one of the greatest artists our country has ever known, Hendrik Keizer. He started out as a sculptor and then turned into architect. Also some of the sculptures. These are weighing scales. Here's one weight, the other one is missing. Yeah, but you know, not bad considered how it's been outside and exposed.
Yeah, how many?
design aspect to consider. And so that's how there was a connection between the Painters Guild and the Masons. There was also in this building on the other side, the metalworkers. They were making tools for everybody, for the Masons, but also for the servants who were on the other side.
This is the entrance for pedestrians.
Oh.
Everybody else's business. Alicia said it's something that there's some I know it's a fake.
Cuba.
Like in America, they have Karens. In the Netherlands, there are Karens.
Yes, now it's about the cafe. Here you can see above the entrance in golden letters it says Theater Marathon. And it's only called Twitter. Yes. So this is where they would carry out the purposes of execution criminals.
Oh.
Pieces of refrigeration only in the winter time.
Oh, wow.
And they would dissect the bodies on the top. If they were private dissections.
Oh, wow.
But it was actually also something that was sometimes available for the general public, and that they would have very large theaters.
And
Like-
watch them?
Yes, similar to how perhaps you would take your girlfriend to the cinema.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pleasant date.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
But compared to Leonardo da Vinci, these guys had it easy because here it was completely legal.
Mm.
Yes, he had to sneak around on battlefields and to the back door of hospitals trying to snatch a body. Also, Italy was much warmer, so it would have been very unpleasant
yeah.
and dangerous for the man himself.
Yeah.
This had to do with the difference between Calvinism, which was the dominant kind of Protestantism here at the time, since the end of the 16th century, and Catholicism. In Catholicism, the Pope has completely prohibited any form of dissection because you will need your body to be intact
When you cross
at the end
over.
of days when Jesus comes to pick you up and take you to heaven. However, the Calvinists, they only did it to execute criminals, and the body needs to be treated with great respect. There were all kinds of rules about it. For instance, strictly prohibited to take home part of the body with you. Also, if you had been a victim of this criminal, then you would not be allowed to then sit in the room and shout things like "serves your right, your servant," things like that. That was so yeah. Calvinism in general was a great catalyst for the progress of science. More money was available for science because the Calvinists take the Ten Commandments very seriously. You cannot spend your money on gluttony and vanity, and therefore you spend it on studying the glory of God's creation. Dissection was a big part of that. So the Renaissance was in that sense also the beginning of science. Yeah. Yes, absolutely. There was always a member of the Painters Guild present to report the findings of dissection. And Rembrandt's first big job that he got when he came here to the city as a young man was to make the anatomy lessons of Nicolaas Tulp. This picture right here. Quite a famous picture. If you will see it for
Oh, wow.
about his house in the house. Yeah, well, it was signed.
Pelo menos estou pelo lado.
Maybe just a sketch of the coral. And no, certainly not, because also the hand is the wrong way around. Yeah. That was very nice. It was. And for sure. Yeah. Landscaping is the idea of sitting outside and going from life, something that started in the 19th century, the Impressionists, and then all these composers from different elements. was, he tried to rob a man of his fancy clothes
So,
in the street, threatening with him with a weapon, but he was not a very good thief, so he got caught already many times.
oh,
And then it was like, I don't know, the 5, 6 times that they had him at the town hall, and they were like, Mr. Kint, will you never mend your ways? And apparently he didn't have a very good answer, so he ended up.
oh wow.
Yeah, so poor in life, wealthy in death, one might say. Yeah.
He lives on, so I guess, you know.
Yes. But what's going on here? This guy with the hat, he is the doctor, and he's explaining the workings of the hand. He says, if I pull on this tendon, this is what the hand does. And the hand was considered a great miracle of God. I mean, another reason we know this isn't real, by the way, is in a dissection you start with the innards, because those decay the quickest. You get those out, and then you start on the muscle. Yeah.
Okay.
So there we go. Yeah. But he was a very prominent citizen because he was mayor after this also several times.
Oh, so we're from doctor to mayor.
Yes, yes.
That happens a lot in the countryside in Brazil.
Oh, yeah, in America. If you're on TV in America, he's going to be president, so.
Yeah, he was also a pretty flamboyant guy. He was always riding around through town in a carriage decorated with tulips.
Oh,
I painted on it.
oh, okay,
Yeah,
fancy.
painted tulips.
Fancy.
So he was called Dr. Tulip.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so he had good PR, so to say.
Wow. Wow, well,
All right,
he's good at his job, I guess.
let's continue.
I always get a request for changes on my PRs, but fine. Oh. Honestly, to a certain extent, I could completely see all of this. Just, you know.
So, all of what?
This actually can work really well for like a horror movie, Dr.
Yeah,
Tulip, right?
Oh my god. Are you writing it down?
No, I was just searching. Like
Script
his
idea.
name is Nicholas Tulip.
Oh. Huh. So maybe that's why you like tulips, because that's close enough.
Did you know that tulips were like the Bitcoin of that of the Netherlands at some point?
Wait, how?
Somebody decided that tulips were like the
Super
rarest,
expensive,
richest thing ever.
Yeah.
And then they started selling tulips for like super expensive. Let's just say 2,000 euros.
Okay.
This like town.
Yeah. Because it probably wasn't euros back then.
Yeah, exactly. So then a lot of people were like, yeah, I have to buy a lot of tulips. It's like the price is rising. You know, a lot of people,
Yeah.
It's kind of like stock market.
Yeah.
And then
But they knew they could grow them, though, right?
yeah, I guess. But basically, so there was a moment where the market crashed because of the tulip thing.